up, my YouTube family and friends? All right, y'all. I have not did a voiceover in ages, it feels like. So y'all bear with me, and hopefully I just don't be out here rambling. But today's video, y'all, I gotta tell y'all about this hair that I have found on Amazon. Okay, so y'all see me, y'all see my growth. If you know, you know, my girl, not my girl, but your girls, your girl size is finally growing out. And as you can see, we got a special guest in today's intro. Don't mind him. But yeah, y'all, I'm ready. I'm so excited about this hair. I have literally been putting this hair in all of my clients' head, and let me tell you, baby, this hair blends so well. This is the Kinky Straight made by vendor Kiriana. I think I'm saying that right. Y'all know I'm gonna list all the details down below in my description box. And yeah, so this is the braid pattern that I'm using. And I mainly use that braid pattern so that when you get to the top, you don't have that little hump sometimes that you get if you do it in the circle braid pattern. So as y'all can see, I already sewn it in, and I didn't record that part because I'm like, y'all seen sew in, y'all seen what it looked like. So I felt I didn't have to really, record that part. But anyways, yes, y'all get into this hair. Do y'all see? Do y'all see how this is blending in so well with my natural hair? Guys, my texture is generally like a 4B texture. In some areas it's like a little bit of 4C. But when it's blown out, just wash and blow dry, this hair blends in so well with my natural hair. And as you can see, I put it up in a pony, and yes, I still have my what you call it, what I'm trying to say, the part where you shave off in the bag. I still want to keep it a little jazzy, keep it a little cute, keep it a little sassy, all that, just in case I get that itch to cut my hair all off again. I just shave that part and keep that part there. So yes, so as y'all can see, I can put it up halfway, half down, all up or all down, and it's definitely giving me Beyonce vibes. So I'm using this flat iron that I also found on Amazon, and I can honestly say I compare this. Actually, y'all, you know what? I use this way more than I use my Fabulous flat iron, and I hate to say that because I love my Fabulous flat iron, but y'all, when I say this flat iron gives me what I need for a fraction of the cost, and I only do 1 to 2 passes. Only 1 to 2 passes. I don't be going in. I don't do the straightening comb. I don't do the double, triple, quadruple heat process to get a good curl. I do 1 to 2 passes on my hair, and baby, that is it. So, and guys, I literally only used maybe 2 bundles, and even using 2 bundles, I had to squeeze those 2 bundles in. Can y'all tell? Like, this hair is giving what it needs to be giving. And I'm showing y'all now. See, I'm curling with just 1 pass, y'all. See, 1 pass, and it's giving me that. Just 1 pass, and it's giving me that. I mean, I'm not hating if you go in and you want to go in from more than 1 or 2 passes, but I particularly don't like to fry my hair out too much. So yeah, and you can also, this iron goes up to 450. I generally use between 410 and 430, and as you can see, I'm doing 430 with this style. But baby, yes, this hair, the only drawback, guys, that I don't like about this hair is that it sheds. But for the price of what you get for 3 bundles, yeah, you winning. Let me just tell you, you winning. And this is the Kinky Straight, guys. The Kinky Straight. This is a 16 inch and some of a 14 inch. Well, most of a 14 inch. So the longest is 16 inch, and y'all see how long the 16 inch is. And they have all different lengths. So please believe I will definitely be keeping this hair in my little hair whole little shebang bang collection, baby. Now the only thing too, Like I said, it does shed, and I don't know how well this hair colors. I don't intend on coloring this hair unless y'all want me to, just to see if it colors. I know you're not gonna get no 613 out this hair, so let's keep it all the way 100. But I don't know if it'll give you like a ginger or a honey blonde or a strawberry blonde. But if you guys want to see a video and you want me to test it out to see if this hair straightens or not straightens, if this hair colors pretty good, I can definitely do that for y'all. But I think I'm just gonna keep it this color. It matches completely well with my natural color, and my hair is kind of like an off black, and this hair is like a off natural black. So as y'all can see, like two bundles, almost two bundles. Y'all see how thick this looks with almost two bundles? Now imagine me fitting in three bundles of hair. If y'all like y'all hair super thick, baby, this is what you want. This is definitely what you want. It's very natural, and I feel like even when you sweat or your hair puff up a little bit, it's gonna still blend in because it's not silky straight, and that's what kind of hair I was looking for. I didn't want a hair that was silky straight because I wanted something that blends better for a fraction of the cost, because a sister is on a budget. Thank you, Amazon. But as y'all can see, this hair, it so low maintenance, guys, and you can wear it in its natural state, or you can curl it, or you can silk it out. I have silked this hair out before, and it silks out beautifully. And even when you wash it, I don't get no matting, guys. No, absolutely no matting. It's super easy to detangle and wash and keep. Y'all, I this hair is amazing. This hair is literally amazing. I'm so surprised I found this on Amazon. Like, y'all gotta check it out. Y'all have to check it out. Even if you do it with a quick weave, even if you do it with a sew-in, whatever you want to do, you can make clip-ins with this hair. I would definitely advise y'all checking this hair out. Like I said, it's Cariana. This is a 16 and a 14 inch. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is next day hair. Actually, it's not even next day hair, y'all. This is a week old. I came back because I didn't feel like doing my makeup right then. But yeah, this is a week old, curled. And when I go into bed that night, I put it in a ponytail, rolled it up, put it in a ponytail. Well, not even rolled it up. I rolled it up in a bun, put it in a ponytail, hold the slap scarf on, and that is it. So don't walk. Don't just run. Run and go get this hair, y'all. Run. As always, I appreciate you guys for tuning in, and I will catch you guys on the next Candy's Hair Diary video. Peace out.